houses. They must be.
By Honorable Moses Kirima to make his contributions.
First and foremost is that I pass my sympathy out to the people of Mavoko. Honestly, it's very sympathetic. It's a situation which every Kenyan should understand, especially the people who have been surviving on my earnings. Because to put up a house to an extent of which I saw the kind of buildings which were being demolished, it was a sympathetic situation. But now, Mr. Speaker, sir, we must come to the point who are responsible, who made those Kenyans to suffer the way they have really suffered. We cannot just point fingers to a few, because by the time one comes to own land in Kenya, there is a process. I've been an advocate for quite a period, and I know very well that one, you must have an agreement to possess a piece of land. When we have vendors and the purchasers, there must be an exchange of documents. Now, who used to own these documents without blaming or pointing fingers to who is who? It's true that Kenya is full of cartels. And in one or the other, there has been duplication of titles if you go to the land registries, whereby you find a party as an original title, and then the others who come through other methods and they end up having other different titles. And now, if you are not careful enough, you are going to buy a duplicate title, and you are going to be a sufferer. So we cannot say that these owners of these houses be compensated, because the first question will come, by who? To me, I'm saying that those vendors who own these pieces of land, because there must be agreements. Where they came from, they must be scrutinized. And then whoever sold the land, if he is in this house or not, if he has returned or not, he must be capable as it is in the Constitution. He must be liable. He must compensate those people who have lost, because they have lost their lifetime earnings. One, for a title deed, or for a plan to be approved by a county government, you must produce a title deed. But still, let's not forget, there can be undue influence whereby we make calls to the people who are approving this, who are approving the plan of the MBQs. And when we make calls as an MP or anybody else who is of influence, I tell you, approval will be there. Then you will be promising that status will fall. So what we are saying is that court orders must be obeyed in one or the other, because without court orders being obeyed, I tell you, we are going to be in anarchy. This is not the first or the last case which this house is going to hear. We have a similar case in KU, whereby there is a Kama area. It's invaded by very rich people. It has been, because they have been promised that they are going to be purchased or there will be negotiations. Even this area, or which the court is here, Mr. Speaker, is saying that there will be no point of order. If majority has a house there, I guarantee him is going to face the same problem. But what I'm saying is that, Mr. Speaker, sir, no, I'm not intending. I don't want to be informed. What I'm saying is that, like this Kirima issue, if the family of Kirima is not willing to be talking with those squatters who are there, the court are to be obeyed in respect of the consequences. So what I am saying is that the court orders are going to be, we must respect the court. We must respect the law as it is. But I don't want to be informed. And the Speaker said that there will be no court point of order. So, Mr. Speaker, what I'm saying is that sympathy.
Order on the Kirima. Do you want to be informed?
No, I'm not interested. No, because I know.
Yes, Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I was seeking to guide my brother, Honorable Kirima, and he said he doesn't desire to be informed, and he is completely out of order. Because the debate before us is the land in Mavoko, not KU and Kamai. Because the KU case, Honorable Speaker, unlike this East African Portland case, is a case where KU has already agreed with the squatters that they will get a share of the land and they move away from the rest of the land. Therefore, it is extremely out of order for the member, the honorable member, to be misleading